Hello learners, welcome to our next virtual learning for the day. My name is Harrison. Today we have mathematics for class 6. And our strand is sets of numbers. And our substrand is prime factorization. Now before then, let us look at our specific objectives for the day. 1. By the end of the day, we should be able to understand the word prime factorization and also find LCM under prime factorization, HCF under prime factorization. Now let us look at our starter for the day. We have even numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers, and composite numbers. Now what are even numbers? Now say even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2 or divisible by 2. Examples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so forth. We also have prime numbers here. Now what are prime numbers? You see, prime numbers are numbers that have only one factor and the number itself. Examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so forth. Now the next one is odd numbers. What are odd numbers? You see, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2. Exactly. It means there will be a remainder. Now, so the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so forth. Now, the last one is composite numbers. What are composite numbers? We say composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. The factors of 4 are 2, 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And also 9 is 1, 3, and 9. I hope you understand. Now let us move on to the question of the day. Let's read the question. Find the HCF of the following. We are looking for the HCF. In HCF, under prime factorization, we find the HCF using our factor tree. Now in HCF, we look for the lowest product of each common factors. We look for the lowest product of each common factors. For example, 30, the factors of 30. Now I told you that when you want to find under prime factorization, use the factor tree to find the factors of 30 under prime factorization. So the two numbers that when we multiply we can get 30 are 2 and 15 to get our 30. So now 2 here, we cannot break 2 down, but we can break 15 down. Which are the two numbers when we multiply them we can get 15? They are 3 and 5. 3 times 5 will give us 15. So we are looking for 2, 3, and 5. That's how we did it in our previous lesson. Now we are going to write 2 times 3 times 5. So 30 equals, so 2 times 3 times 5 will give us 30. Now the next one is 24. We draw the factor tree. 2 times 12 will give us 24. We break down 12, which will give us 2, 6 will give us 12. 2, 6 will give us 12. And we can still break the 6 down, which will give us 2 times 3. Now this is the last one. And we come here, we cycle this one, this, and this. So we write it as 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we come here, we have to summarize it under prime factorization. So we write it as 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power 3. Because 2 occurs thrice here, times the last number. So we come here, then we bring all this here, which is 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. Now we come here, we are looking for the HCF. Our HCF, which I told you earlier that the 8, because it is highest common factor, we are going to what? Bring it down. So in the HCF, we look for the lowest products. The lowest products. So between 2 raised to the power 3 and 2, which one is the lowest? 2 is the lowest because 2 has no power. So it's the lowest. So I come here, I write 2. Between these 3 here, which one is the lowest? All of them they are lowest numbers. So I take only one, which is 3. Now this 5 here has no member. It doesn't match with any number here. So I throw it away. So my HCF is, I'm going to multiply 2 times 3, which will give me 6. So my HCF is 6. I hope you understand this. Now let's move on to the last question, which is question number 2. We are going to solve only question number 1 and 2. Then I leave question number 3 for you. Now question number 2 is 12. What are the factors? 2 numbers, when we multiply them, we can get 12. They are 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We cannot break the 2 down, but we can break the 6 down. That when we multiply 2 by 3, it will give us 6. 2 by 3 will give us 6. So I come here, I cannot break the 2 down, I cannot break the 3 down. This is the final one. So I come here, I cycle this one, cycle this one, cycle this one, which will give me 2. So 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. We can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 because 2 occurs 2 times. I put it here at the top small, which means 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3. Now I come here, my last number is 18. The next one, we are looking for HCF for 12 and 18. So I am going to solve 18. So 18 is 2 times 9 will give me 18. So I cannot break the 2 down. This is the last stop. This is the last stop for 2. But as for 9, I can continue with 9. So a number, if I multiply both numbers, I can get 9. 3 times 3, that will give me 9. So I come here, I cannot extend, I cannot move on. This is my bus stop. This is my bus stop. The numbers I'm looking for are 2, 3, 3. Remember, the product of 9 is 3 and 3. So I cannot circle 9. It's out of the box. So I come here, 18 equals 2 times 3 times 3. So I come here, under prime factorization, I'm going to summarize this number. Or I'm going to simplify the number, which I'll write it as 2 times, how many times does 3 occur here? It occurs twice. So I'm going to write 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2. This is my 3. 3 raised to the power 2. So I come here, I'm going to take a whole of this one, then match it with this one, which is 12 equals 2 raised to the power 2 times 3. Yes, so I'm going to find my HCF. My HCF. I'm going to find my HCF. Now I'm looking for the lowest number. Now I have 2 here, 2 is common here, 2 is common here. Which one is the lowest one? This one at the top here does not carry any power, so it's the lowest one. So I write it here 2. I write it here 2, and I come here. 3 is here. 3 is here, yes. 3 is here, which is 3 raised to the power 2, and I have another 3 here. This one is higher than this one because this one is carrying a power, but this one does not carry a power. So this one is the lowest one. So I come here and multiply it by 3, which will give me 6. Understand this? Yes. So this is my final answer. My HCF is 2 times 3, which will give me 6. Remember, I took the lowest power here, and I also took the lowest power here. The one does not carry what? The powers. I hope you understand. See you next time. Bye bye.